The most idyllic pathway I've ever come across. Yeah, bitch! Look at that. That's some good ass shit right there,
You
Mark.
come up and you finished it.
I did. I'm a finisher, a closer,
I know.
a king.
No. Go ahead and, okay, then if you're a finisher, a closer, in a king. That was good. Okay. Let's see it? Yeah. Let's see it.
Are you a good kitty? Yeah. You're a good big kitty. Yeah, that was dope. Yeah.
Try to get it in the ground like,
Yeah, get it, stick it in there.
stick it in there.
Yeah, stick it. Really idyllic. Dude, okay, can I have you do that again?
He doesn't want that
It's just your
video evidence.
velociraptor thing again. Cody's like, fuck you. Oh, you're a good kitty. Here's the remnants of what we had. That's the Aussie burger. It had pineapple, bacon, lettuce, tomato, an aioli sauce, and a fried egg, and these delicious Parmesan fries. Amazing. Cody got the Woodland Ale, and I got the Foreman Stout, which is always a good choice. It was delicious. Let the passport signing begin.
We're not writing you down.
Oh, okay.
So,
These are some great beers.
And then can I just get the stamp?
you sure can.
Do you wake up in the morning feeling like you fell asleep in the middle of a gangbang?
Alright, cool.
I got cotton mouth. Oh my god. It's outrageous. Just woke up too. I'm feeling amazing.
I don't have a video this week. So I thought I'd I don't know.
Catching me.
Yeah, it's my kombucha.
And now I try to get it to stab in the ground again.
Yeah, stick it in there. Man. Very idyllic. Very idyllic indeed.
Idyllic.